Alright guys, just wanted to show what I've done today. I got to get ready for a competition. We got a cook-off on the April 26th. We're going to try to make some chicken parm on a Blackstone. We'll see how that works out. It's going to be me, Ed from Whistlestop, and Simon from Yes I Can Barbecue. Never made chicken parm on a Blackstone, but we'll see what happens. But I had to buy a couple things to get ready. I'll show you. You know, all these devices use these little crappy 1 pound cans. I've seen those things priced anywhere from $5 to $10 each when we were traveling. It's crazy. But they make these little adapters. You can see that. That you can hook in and use your regular 20-pound grill tank on. I had to grab a new one because ours was leaking. And we actually found out it was leaking from this little hole right here. Well, we've had the guy like 3 or 4 years, so can't complain, I guess, but we had to get a new one. Let's check out what the new hose looks like. Propane and propane accessories. And we decided to go with the metal braided one this time, just see what it's like. Oh, it even comes with some Teflon tape. Hey, for those of you that don't know, there's different colors of Teflon tape. White is for water. The yellow is for propane. There's other colors too. I think the blue's for like high pressure water or something, but that should be pretty interesting. But we'll get this guy hooked up. But yeah, you just take this little end, plug it in right here, where your Coleman tank's plugged in, and then plug this end into your tank. It's way cheaper that way. These things, like I said, I've seen them anywhere from $5 to $10 a piece, depending on where you're at. And the 20-pound tank, I can get that thing filled up for anywhere from, I don't know, about $13, $14 probably. It's way cheaper that way, for sure. So we'll hook that guy up. I had to grab this guy too. Didn't have one of these, so I need something to help melt the cheese on top of the chicken parm. So I got me a little griddle thing. Yeah, at Walmart they sell the Blackstone one. It's a round 12-inch, but it costs like $25. This guy is half the price, and I like the squareness of it. I think that might work better. We'll see what happens. But that's what I'm doing today. Gonna hook the tank and hook this guy in. Just take a minute, but just thought I'd show you guys the hose. Yeah, we'll try to have try to put a link down there to the hose and to the lid I bought. You guys need to join us April 26th. Like I said, it's gonna be me, Ed, Simon, and Chef Sibby's gonna judge it. So we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, and if you want to get fancy with it, if you think you're getting dirty propane, you can add this to it. It just hooks right into the end here. And that hooks into where the green tank is. It's a little filter to filter your propane if you think you're getting dirty propane. Couldn't hurt. So we'll throw that guy on there too. Well, hope you guys join us on the 26th. Please stop by. Watch us do some crazy stuff. Making chicken parm on a grill. Not using an oven. That should be pretty funny. Talk to you guys later.